All right, Dan. Let's see what's going on. Dan Holland Fitness. Dan Holland PT. I help people to change their physique through the right nutrition, exercise, and sustainable lifestyle choices. It sounds great. It's a little bit like fluff. It's a little bit fluffy. So like, okay, change their physique. What does that actually mean? Does that mean you're going to help me gain 50 pounds and get overweight? Or you're going to help me get really lean? Or you're going to help me build muscle? Like, what does change your physique mean? Through the right nutrition. What is the right nutrition? Is there such thing as the right nutrition? Sustainable lifestyle choices. Again, what is sustainable lifestyle choices? I think your bio is missing a lot of it's not very specific. I think we could do that. The email in the bio, I don't think anybody's ever emailed anybody through looking at the email in the bio. So I would scrap that. I would maybe make this more of a without statement. So I help people transform their physique by dropping 20 pounds of body fat and building lean muscle in 90 days. DM me the word X to find out more. Then the link in your bio, free program, give away a free 7-day program. Profile picture's good, nice and clear. I like it, holding the two balls. Pause. Maybe a bit closer. I like to see faces. Human beings connect with eye contact. You're active on the stories. I like it. I like the activity on the stories, man. That's what I like to see. Good job. And I'm not going to judge your content because it's not a content training. It's going to take me forever if I did that. But you're posting very frequently, which is a good sign. Good job, Dan. You've got a lot of good qualities. I think we could take you to the next level. Personally, you know where I'm at though. DM me. Good job though. Good job.